Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. TBC Bank is a major financial institution based in Georgia, offering a mobile banking app aimed at providing customers with easy access to their banking needs on smartphones. This video explains the main features of the TBC Bank app, how it works, and what users say about its performance. The TBC Bank mobile app is downloadable from both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. After installing, users can log in using their online banking credentials or register for new accounts if they are not existing customers. The app features a clean and intuitive interface designed to help users quickly access their accounts and perform transactions securely. With this app, users can check their account balances and transaction history, transfer money between accounts, and pay bills directly from their mobile devices. The app supports domestic and international transfers, making it easier to send money to other banks or countries. Additionally, users can manage their debit and credit cards, activate or block cards, and set spending limits through the app. Security is a key focus of the TBC Bank app. It includes biometric login options such as fingerprint or facial recognition for added protection. The app also sends instant notifications about transactions to help users monitor account activity and prevent fraud. Another feature is the QR code payment option, which allows users to scan codes for quick payments at supported merchants. Users generally appreciate the convenience and comprehensive features of the app. However, some have reported occasional technical problems, including login errors and app crashes. A few users also mention delays when trying to get support from customer service, especially for international transfer issues. Despite these occasional setbacks, the app remains popular for its ease of use and the broad range of banking services it offers on mobile platforms. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutorialorabis@gmail.com.